Lieutenant Governor Kathy Hochul sounding the alarm in Erie County, saying Western New York is the epicenter of the state's battle with COVID-19. Good evening, I'm Claudine Ewing. New data from the governor's office shows on Friday in Erie County, yellow zones, 8.17% of tests came back positive. 2 News Eye's Jackie Roberts joins us now with a look at how health experts and elected officials believe the virus is actually spreading. Jackie.
Claudine, when people hear about a spike in cases, the big question is, where are they coming from? Today, we reached out to an infectious disease expert for input, Dr. Thomas Russo.
The large increase in cases is not due to a large outbreak at a particular workplace or due to a single event or two. It is widespread increased infections across our entire community here in Western New York.
Dr. Russo was at the news conference held yesterday with state and local elected officials. One of the themes that came up as for the source of the spike was called living room spread. Dr. Russo says that's when individuals from different households or social bubbles gather indoors, likely not wearing masks. He used common examples like watching the Bills game, which usually involves food and drink. He says those types of gatherings can be risky scenarios if someone in the group is infected, even if they're not showing symptoms.
People might have gotten together in their households or with their friends for food and drink during the summer and the early fall without any consequences. So right now they're saying, hey, I did this before, it was fine. But because the number of cases was so low at that time, the risk of someone being infectious was much lower. And that's changed recently. The risk now is much higher with these gatherings.
Another source mentioned people coming into work or school sick without realizing it's COVID-19 until those around them have already been infected. And on a call with reporters this morning, Governor Cuomo addressed his concerns with the approaching holiday season. And we'll have much more on that coming up tonight at 10 and 11. For now in Buffalo, Jackie Roberts, Channel 2 News.